Right? To never stop believing in your dreams. Oh, hey, if I were you, you were me from a mile can see. Now if you see me in a darker street, would you please help me? If I were you and you were me from a mile can see. If you see me, would you walk past me, think that I'm happy? They don't know the pain that you've been going through, the fears and the scars that reflect on you. They don't know that there's gonna be a brighter day, a better day than yesterday. Yeah. Them that see the work, and them that see the results. Enough of them, the boy that just run off the mount. They don't have the drive to move forward in life. They will rather hide behind the wall of shame. So make we come together, strategize to make it out alive. My brothers and sisters, let us all unite. The days that you've been going through, the fears and the scars that reflect on you. They don't know. It's gonna be a brighter day, a better day than yesterday. Yeah. I sing, see me, you see me whenever you want to see me. Yeah. No for them, my friend, and me say them will be your friend. And me judge and will direct you. God and always protect you. Yeah. I sing, see me, you see me, you see me, you see me, you see me. Yeah, yeah. If I were you and you were me, from a mile can see. Now if you see me in a darker street, would you please help me? If I were you and you were me, from a mile can see. If you see me, would you walk past me, think that I'm happy? Hey, they don't know hey, the pain that you've been going through, the fears and the scars that reflect on you. They don't know that there's gonna be a brighter day, a better day than yesterday. Yeah. They don't know. Just keep on fighting, just keep on rising, just keep on living up, just keep on believing, just keep on rising. Just keep on fighting, just keep on, they don't know.
All right, so now it's time to hear from some of our friends in the Sono. It's greetings across the world.
Greetings across the world.